Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. This one is for the Apple Watch. So I'm going to show you settings and explain what it is. Now, you might be playing around with your watch and you go into your settings. So click on the crown and you went in here, for example, let me show you. And you went to control center. Maybe you're thinking that by clicking control center, you'll be taken to the control center. Then you see reset control center layout and you're thinking that maybe it has crashed. I know. It has happened to me, so I'm sure somebody else has thought about this. There's not enough documentation here. They should have placed a graphic, but they didn't, so people might be confused if they're wondering what this does. So you might be thinking that it has crashed. That's why you're not seeing the control center. So go, and you might have clicked on reset, and then you might have clicked on reset control center. Then you're thinking, why isn't it loading the control center? Maybe it's not working. Maybe you tried different things, but it's not showing the control center. That's because this option that says control center is actually the reset for the control center. So it's not actually that it's failing, it's that it's here by design. So what they're showing you here, let me show you. So if you click on this button here, not the crown, this is the control center, right? Now you can actually modify it. And if you modify it, what happens is that the layout will change. You can control a lot of things here. However, if you modify it, you change it up and you want to reset it, this setting here is intended for you to reset this control center here. So if you're thinking it's failing and it's trying to reset so it can populate with options, that's not what's happening. So Apple kind of left this ambiguous and they should have explained it. For example, let me show you something. On the phone, it does a better job of explaining what it is. So for example, if you go to control center on the phone, you'll see this graphic. Yeah, and the graphic itself explains much better, as it's showing you that you can press the side button to access control center. So it actually tells you how to get to the control center, and it tells you now you have the option to reset the control center, which clears things up a lot. So they need to add a graphic and a better explanation on the watch. So don't feel bad if in case you're wondering what was happening, if you're exploring your watch and you saw that option. It has happened to me. So it was after exploring a bit more that I figured somebody must be in the same situation. They're either searching for the control center or they came across the option not knowing what it did, thinking that something on their device had crashed. So I hope that explains it, guys. And if this was helpful, please share your experience below in the comments. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.